So let me try to solve another question today. So the second question for day 5 is median of two sorted arrays. Given two sorted arrays nums1 and nums2 of size m and n respectively. So return the median of the two sorted arrays. The overall runtime complexity should be of go of log of m plus n. So they have given two test cases. The code which I write should pass these two test cases. So first I have to declare two variables named n and m. So what will be my n? That will be equal to what? Length of the array nums1, and m will be equal to what? Length of the array nums2. Now I declare an array which will be equal to what? So I'll use a for loop now. So what I have to do means I have to store all the values that are present in the array number to the merged array, that is array. So after this I'll take a variable named j which will start from n, and I'll again use a for loop. What I do means from the nth position of the merged array I start inserting the elements of from the nth position I start inserting the elements of the second array, that is nums2, and parallel I have to increment j also. Next I have to sort the array now. Sorted. So for next I'll check. Now let me just take another variable named z which will be equal to what? N plus m. So if z mod 2, if that is not equal to 0, which means what? The value of n plus m will return an odd number. So if that is the case, then what will be my median? Median will be equal to what? Array of z by 2. Correct. So I haven't declared the variable median now. So let me declare it here itself. Next, else, that is if the value of z is even, then what will be my median? Median will be equal to what? Array of z, or else let me take another z by 2 plus of z2 plus 1. Just use the braces here, and I have to divide this whole term by what? Divide this entire by 2.0, because as you have as you might have seen in the question in the test case 2, the answer that was the answer of the median was 2.5. So since my answer should be in decimal values, so I have to divide it by 2.0 now. So let me just do this, and I have to return what? Median. So as you can see, there's an error here because I have declared the median inside the function, but I have to declare this within the class. So let me do that now. Now let me just run this code. So as you can see, it has passed both the test cases now. Let me try to submit this now. So as you can see, I have just submitted this code now. So yeah, that's it for day 5. Thank you.